Sanchez. 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 Come Sanchez. He's a bit shy. So this lady, she's not so shy. Now the guy is coming. Come Sanchez. So let me introduce you to Sanchez, or Small Buddha as we called him when he was young. That's Sanchez. He's 14. Time is running out. We see that we will not have so many years left. That's just how it is, huh, Sanchez? Sanchez. It's just simply what's happening. Now running out of time. Yes, Dorby. Running out of time is this. It's no one separated running out of time. It's just a running out of time. It's so natural. Whatever is happening or seems to be happening may just simply end, may collapse. But there's nothing separated, which is collapsing. That's Sanchez. It's just full on whatever is happening, enjoying, spending time, loving, liking, wondering, hating. It's just simply whatever is happening, and this will end. This will stop. It will collapse, but it will not collapse for anyone separated. Will it, Dorby? Well, she doesn't mind. Huh? Dorby. That's just simply the directness of what is. You want to move the mic, you sweetheart. That's just simply the directness of what is, and it will stop. This cuddling with Dorby will just simply stop or collapse. It will end, but it will not end for anyone separated. It will just simply drop or stop. That's how it is. At least that's how it seems to be. And having a problem with the so-called ending of this is already just simply this. Having an issue with the so-called ending of life is just simply life. And not having a problem with the ending is equally just this, as is the phone falling. Let me see. So there they are, Dorby and Sanchez, the old guy and the young girl, enjoying their Saturday morning walk. Maybe some digging, maybe some barking, whatever is. Just simply this, as is the liking and the loving of it. So it's the time to change and let some other dogs run free, right, Dorby? Yes.